Kira and Ichiban.
Kira and Ichiban.
This is Whistler, Canada, the ski resort capital of this country. I'm Will, the channel is Sprout, and behind the lens is Sharon. Let's go on this adventure together. Beautiful day to be alive. First Dairy Queen bite ever. 22 years old.
No, I like it.
Actually?
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
Love the way we are together. I think we always stay this way. And I wanna build my whole world with you and my never. And our love will make us so much better. And there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I give you what you want.
I've never been on a beach yet so cold.
Beauty.
Truly magnificent. I'm gonna try and make a little cinematic travel clip. Let me see how I do.
A lot of cheese. I'm very excited about it.
Hype over cheese. Dude, what continent are we on?
So it's a little cold now. We recommend if anyone do this, you don't get as wet as we did.
You know, like the term happy place? Well, I'd say my happy place in Vancouver is right here. This is the first place that Sharon brought me when I first arrived in Vancouver. And man, I saw it with a nice little sunset and it was absolutely epic.
Croissant, did I say it right? I've eaten since I've met Will is wonderful.
Welcome to Richmond. So this is actually the neighboring city of Vancouver and one of the most remarkable cities in North America. So in honor of that, first thing that we're gonna do is go explore some traditional Chinese hot pot.
Done.
can't believe it's already been 3 months, man. This has been the most epic winter in British Columbia. It's gone by so fast. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to do that. Smash the like button, and I'll see you on Saturday for another Canadian travel video. Let's go.